Dear students, welcome you all to LMS Digital Learning Classes, session number 40. In this session, we will see a problem on joint venture account where separate set of book is kept. When separate set of book is kept under joint venture account, so there are three accounts that are mainly prepared, that are joint bank account, joint venture account and co-venture account. ಸೊ ಮೂರು ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್. ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ usually prepared to ascertain the profit or loss of the joint venture business. Then the third account is co-ventures account ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ co-ventures capital account ಅಥವಾ co-ventures personal account ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Now we'll see a problem on this. Praveen and Bharat entered into a joint venture to undertake a contract for construction of building. So Praveen ಮತ್ತೆ ಭರತ್ ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ co-ventures. So these two co-ventures have entered into a joint venture business for construction of building for rupees 4 lakh. The contract price of the building construction is 4 laksha. Then they agreed to share the profits or losses in the ratio of 3:2. So profit sharing ratio kuda kottidare illi 3:2. Praveen contributed 1 lakh and Bharat contributed 1,50,000 and deposited the same by opening joint bank account. ಒಂದು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಭರತ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು 1,50,000 ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಬೈ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ co-ventures. Then the payments were made as under. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ rupees 1,20,000, wood supplied by Praveen 60,000, wages paid 1,40,000, architect fees paid by Bharat 30,000. So you can see here ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೇಜ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಇವೆರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ವೆರಾಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈಡ್ 60,000 ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್. ಸೊ ವೆರಾಸ್ 30,000 ಅಂತ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಏನು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್. The contract was completed and the full price was received, and there is an unused materials valued at rupees 10,000 which were taken up by Praveen. So after completion of the project, so 10,000 ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೋವೆಂಚರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ is maintained for joint venture. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಎ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್, ಸೊ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ 3 ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, co-ventures account and joint bank account. So now we'll see how joint venture account is prepared for the same problem. So I can see here joint venture account. So joint venture account is prepared to ascertain the profits. So therefore on the debit side we are recording all the expenditure and losses, on the credit side we are recording the income. So you can see on the debit side you can see two joint bank account anta baritivi. So this is 1,20,000 rupees is the expenditure incurred on cost of materials incurred jointly. Then to Praveen's account cost of wood anteli 60,000 record ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So this is the expenditure incurred by Mr. Praveen. Then to joint ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ವೇಜ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ 1,40,000 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ವೇಜ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಕರ್ಡ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ಲಿ. ದೆನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಟು ಭರತ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫೀಸ್ 30,000 ಏನಿದೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಕರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್, ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋವೆಂಚರ್, ಭರತ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಬೈ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 4 lakh ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. Then by Praveen account ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 10,000 we have recorded. So that is the entry for unused material that is being taken over by Mr. Praveen. So upon closing this joint venture account, So there is a credit balance of rupees 60,000. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So that has been divided among both the co-ventures in the ratio of 3:2. So 36,000 is recorded in the with respect to Praveen account, and Bharat account ಗೆ 24,000 profit ಅಂತ record ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So now we will see how co-venture account is prepared. Co-venture account ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಮತ್ತು ಭರತ್ದು capital accounts. You can see co-venture account here. So on the credit side of the co-venture account, so we have recorded like this: by joint bank account ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 1 lakh and 1,50,000 is recorded. So that is the entry for capital contribution made by Praveen and Bharat. Then by joint venture account ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 60,000 is recorded in Praveen's account and 30,000 is recorded in Bharat's account. So this is the expenditure incurred by both the co-ventures. Then third entry we have recorded by joint venture account 36,000 24,000 ಅಂತ record ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So this is the entry for profit on joint venture account. So on the credit side you can see to joint venture account 10,000 is recorded in Praveen's account. So this is the entry for materials, unused materials being taken over by Praveen account. So upon closing this co-ventures account, so you can see a credit balance. So debit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ balancing figure ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. Praveen account is debited with 1,86,000 and Bharat account is debited with 2,04,000. So this is the balance amount available in co-ventures capital account ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So this amount should be paid out of joint bank account. So now we'll see how joint bank account is prepared for the same problem. So you can see the joint bank account here. So on the debit side, to Praveen's account capital 1 lakh, to Bharat's account capital 1,50,000, and to joint venture account contract price 4 lakh. So these three are the amounts which are deposited into joint bank account ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅವು ಮೂರು ಕೂಡ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಇವು ಮೂರು ಕೂಡ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾರಸ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ by joint venture account. So 1,20,000 is paid towards materials. By joint venture account 1,40,000 is paid towards wages, and 1,86,000 is paid to Praveen account, and 2,04,000 is paid to Bharat account. So this is how three important accounts are prepared under joint venture account when separate set of books are maintained. I hope you have understood this method and the problem. Thank you.